this thing is the 4-cylinder with the automatic, and sometimes when you are doing Jeep things, for this guy, it starts to get hot. And when it gets hot, then I get sad because the engine's getting hot. It's fine, this one can take it, but sometimes it can't, and sometimes it's too much. I don't know if we can make it up that. You wanna try? Yeah, it's really hot. It's not great. And when it's too much, you need to ask yourself, do I have something that's going wrong, or do I need to upgrade something? And today we're gonna be talking about upgrading the radiator. Now, the radiator in these is kind of small. I think they used it, and they may have used it in both the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder, and it's narrow and kind of a weird shape. So I've never really fixed it, of course, and I just let it get a little toasty sometimes. But Alloyworks reached out to me and said, hey, we'd like you to review a radiator. Now, before we get into the radiator itself, which is sitting right here off camera, let's talk about Alloyworks, because I didn't know what to expect. And I'll pull up my computer. It'll be on your screen here. Please hold. Now, if you go to the Alloyworks website, to my surprise, I searched for the 1994 Jeep Wrangler YJ, which is behind me here. And instead of getting like one result or half a result or no results, I ended up getting 2 full pages of options for this Jeep. So you have the OEM plastic top, plastic bottom style radiator, but on top of that, they offer all of these welded aluminum radiators, and you can get a 3-core, you can get a 4-core. So we're talking, these are bigger, more capacity, more cooling capacity. You can get them with the cooling fan, and it comes with its own shroud that's built onto it, so you don't have to make one or find one. And they also come without that. So you have multiple levels of scale and options as you are trying to figure out what you're gonna do for your Jeep. Now, the ones that come with the fans, it looks like you can buy them without some of the controllers, and it looks like you can also buy them with everything you need to make it run. So it's a turnkey kit, or at least it's supposed to be. Also, the prices on here are very competitive. The full turnkey fan, shroud, big 4-row radiator on sale is $330 or $359 not on sale. And that's really a competitive price. Now, I can't speak to the quality of the fan or the radiator or any of that stuff yet, but we'll talk about that later in the video. On top of all of that, not only are they selling products that replace the OE parts with bigger, better, whatever, they're also thinking of the modifiers. So there's ones on here that are compatible with small block Chevys. There's ones on here that rotate the radiator to be a horizontal flow if that's your preference. And there's ones on here for LS swaps as well, which is really exciting. They also have a coolant reservoir and a header option, as well as the heater core. Honestly, it's kind of a one-stop shop. And I think that's really cool that they're doing this and that they're supporting the older vehicles. We're gonna look at the radiator that they shipped me.